Hello guys, what is up? My name is Willfiveter and welcome back to the channel, and today we have a video I didn't really plan to have on my schedule. Let me give you some context. So basically, Tom Holland is my favourite, joint with Ryan Reynolds, Marvel character. Spiderman and Deadpool being my two favourite, with Benedict Cumberbatch being a close third. And I found out that Tom Holland was doing signed poster drops on his charity page, the Brothers Trust. Now, I tried to do Through the Mail for Tom Holland while he's performing Romeo and Juliet. You'll see a video on that at a later date. But basically, they threw out all the fan mail, said he wasn't signing anything, and basically he's known not to sign anything now other than if it's for his charity. But they were doing monthly/bi-monthly poster drops, and I got a notification on Instagram that they were doing a poster drop, and I might have bought one. So basically, it came out at 5. I decided which poster I wanted, and it was while I was in work, and I was walking around M&S, and I realised, oh god, I missed the drop. There was 2 posters there. They were both sold out. I was walking down the street, refreshing the page, and out of nowhere, the poster I wanted with Spider-Man and Doctor Strange came for sale. And because I'd set up Shop Pay, I managed to get the poster, and now these things sell out super fast and they are super limited, so I'm super lucky to have been able to buy one. I guess it was from all the years of trying to get Supreme in school. It came in handy and I managed to buy a poster. But now we've just got to wait, and I'm going to unbox it you and show it you, and I don't actually know where I'm going to put this in my room, but I'm super happy to see the poster. So I'm going to wait and come back to you when we've got the poster. Alright, so it is the next day and the poster has arrived. This is how big it is width-wise. So as you can see, it is a full-size poster. I actually did email and ask them for the size because I'd forgot when I was buying it how big it was. And it was 27 by 40 inches. Now, I'm going to open this in a minute, but I have seen some posters flying around from the drops that are signed by both him and Zendaya. I don't know, because I didn't check any of the other drops, if it was specified, if it was signed by both of them, or if it was just look at the draw. Now, this did just say it was signed by Tom, so it probably won't have Zendaya on it, but you never know. It would be pretty cool and awesome if it did. Now, I'm going to talk about cost. The cost of the poster from his website was £175, including shipping. Now, that's less than what you'd pay if Tom ever did a con. You don't get to ask for, meet him and ask for character name and all that jazz, but still, it is an amazing price, and hopefully one day I'll be able to add people like Benedict, Toby, Andrew, people like that, maybe even Zendaya if she's not on it, onto this poster. But I'm gonna get to it and start opening it for you. Alright, so we've got rid of my address, and then we're gonna open from this end because the other end has a fragile sticker. I don't know, there is tape. There we go. We can take that off. Wrap it around the tube. I'm sorry you can't see. Oh. Go. Get rid of this. Got some tissue roll. Then go like this. The poster is really nicely wrapped. Off to the side. Is there anything? Nope. That's it. The poster. I'm gonna drop that right there. Like, should slide off. Slight nick at the top of the poster, but it is. That's gonna slide off one end. We're gonna put this back in the tube, so we don't actually have a frame for it, and I want to keep it in good condition. But okay, one sec. I'm gonna stand back. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not, but one sec. There we go. It is just signed by Tom, but still, it looks so good. I'm going to flatten it out and show it you close. And here we have the poster. The autograph looks so clean there, and as you can see, it's absolutely massive. It does as well, if I just grab this here, come up with a certificate of authenticity, and as well, there is a sticker on the back to say that it's authentic. So all the posters come with that, but it looks so good, and I can't wait to put this in a frame and display it somewhere. It is probably my favorite poster from the movie as well, and hopefully through the years, we'll be able to add some more names onto this poster, especially that man there, Benedict Cumberbatch. And there we have it, the poster. No Zendaya on it. Tiny bit disappointed, but to be honest, I didn't really expect it to be on it. It was just one of those, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But as I said, amazing poster. I can't wait to get it framed, and then hopefully in the future we can add more of the cast. I feel like it would be so good, especially to get Benedict on there. Andrew has been doing a few cons as far as I'm aware. Ned, already said Zendaya. Toby, but I know he's a really hard signer. Could send it to Alfred through the mail, because I know Doc Ock does reply through the mail, but probably not likely. William Dafoe, it's a massive all-star cast, so probably won't get a lot of signatures on it, but it would be cool to get some additionals, especially Benedict. Zendaya is definitely possible at a premiere, for example. But yeah, super happy with how the poster came out. Another great addition to the collection. But most of all, I hope you guys did enjoy. It is a shorter video and one that wasn't on the schedule. Nala is stretching over there, which is, you can just see the back of her legs. But yes, I hope you guys did enjoy. Another video into the Arsenal. Not one I was predicting, but happy with it nonetheless. Anyway, hope you guys did enjoy. And I don't know where this is going to fit in, but I believe you'll be seeing Welcome to Valhalla, Comic-Con, vlog. 2 videos for that actually after this video. So hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully I'll catch you there. Thank you for watching, and peace.